live in the estuaries of Boston, is your vision affected by waves, weather, tides, and the rising or setting of the sun? Then you can use some of these adaptations to better your fitness and be the top of the estuary.
Hi, my name is Don Draper, and do I have a great product for all your estuarial fish out there? Everybody knows that all fishes don't have optimal visual performances. Our product, Adapt and Explode, can help you cope with all your different estuarial environmental needs. Jimmy, tell me how they can increase their visual performance.
That's right, Don. Have you ever been in the estuarial waters being subjected to one of the longest maximal wavelengths transmission and having to find a predator, prey, or even a mate? Well, you're in luck. Nano Explode will satisfy all your needs. For those dim-dwelling species out there, we have the perfect visual product for you to maximize your vision in dim and murky living spaces.
Tell me more.
Have you ever been looking for a great meal only to not be able to locate it in time?
These are some great products for those who dwell in dim light intensities. But there are some side effects for these adaptations. Some might include less acuity and slower eyes.
By taking these supplements, you will generate wider eyes, which increase luminous sensitivity for your dim conditions. You can also try our other products of advanced corneas and lenses that enable you to transmit UV light to enhance contrast and image formation. This is perfect if you want to thrive in your dim living spaces. If you're a fish living in higher light intensity, don't feel left out. We have not forgotten about you.
That is true. We have a product for fishes that are in less need of luminous sensitivity and rod cell usage, but are in need of a higher acuity in their vision. We have what you want in a higher visual scope in the water, such as increased usage of the cone cells in the eye with less summation of photoreceptors to increase acuity. With increased acuity, it will make it easier to find your predator, prey, or mate, making it the coolest fish in the estuary.
In all our adaptations we have for you here today, there are some drawbacks that we need to let you know about before you make your switch to optimal visual performance.
What drawbacks can there be?
Glad you asked, Don. Since no fish has optimal visual performance over all light intensities, there will be some drawbacks. As for the fish living in dim light intensities, the increasing luminous sensitivity will lead to a decrease in acuity.
For those dwelling in higher light intensities, increasing acuity, which decreases photon capture, making the vision less sensitive to light.
"500 meters down, and in even the clearest tropical waters, only the faintest vestige of the sunlight remains, so little that our eyes can't detect it, but others can." Survival in the twilight zone is all about seeing, yet not being seen. Hatchetfish are masters of the game of hide and seek. They have the large sensitive eyes needed for seeking prey, but their bodies are flat. And their sides are highly silvered. Head on, they are just visible, thin though they are, but as soon as they turn, their mirrored sides reflect the remnants of blue light from the surface, and they disappear into the gloom. Viewed from the side, whole shoals can hide in this way. But what about from below? The tubular eyes of many of the predators, even in this gloom, are able to distinguish their prey silhouetted against the scarcely detectable glimmer of light from above. Hatchetfish, however, have a way of confusing any eyes that might be searching for them from below. Their bellies carry rows of light-producing cells called photophores. They can use these to exactly match the changing color of light from the surface far above. This counter-shading breaks up their silhouette, making them almost invisible from below. Almost. But these are no ordinary eyes. The enormous yellow lenses enable their owner to distinguish between light produced by photophores and sunlight. So one device for escape is countered by another equally subtle one for attack in an evolutionary arms race that has been waged for millions of years.
These products are made to increase your fitness within your environment, because remember, a better visual performance is directly related to success.
All this you see here can be yours for 3 low payments of $39.99. And if you call now, we will double your order.